In this video, we'll be talking about the Midea MLH25N7BWW compact front-load washing machine, a smart and space-saving solution for everyday laundry needs. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this washing machine in the description below for the best price. This 24-inch compact washer may look small, but it packs serious cleaning power. With a 2.5 cubic feet capacity, it's ideal for families who want efficiency without sacrificing performance. One of the standout features is its steam care function, which uses the power of steam to gently loosen dirt and stains deep within fabrics. It's especially helpful for people dealing with tough spots like coffee spills or pet dander, all while being gentle on your clothes. Another smart feature is the cold wash cycle, which not only helps maintain the color and texture of your clothes but also reduces energy consumption. You'll still get a thorough clean, but your fabrics stay vibrant and soft. Midea has clearly designed this washer with long-term fabric care and sustainability in mind. Under the hood, the brushless inverter motor is what makes this washer stand out. It operates quietly, reduces vibration, and is more energy efficient than traditional motors. Plus, the fact that Midea backs it with a 10-year warranty speaks volumes about its reliability. Whether you live in an apartment, a condo, or a small home, you'll appreciate how silent this machine runs, no more noisy spin cycles disrupting your evening. When it comes to performance, the internal heater is a game changer. It can heat water up to 152 degrees Fahrenheit to tackle heavily soiled clothes and allergens, giving you the deep cleaning confidence without the need for separate hot water hookups. As for the design, this unit's front-load and stackable structure saves valuable floor space, making it perfect for compact laundry rooms or small apartments. However, like any compact washer, the smaller drum size means it's not ideal for oversized loads like bulky comforters. But for everyday laundry, it's more than sufficient. Overall, the Midea MLH25N7BWW strikes a great balance between performance, efficiency, and convenience. It's a reliable option for families or individuals who want high-end features like steam cleaning and cold wash cycles in a smaller footprint. If you're looking to upgrade your laundry setup with something modern, quiet, and energy efficient, this compact front-load washer is definitely worth considering.